Welcome back, guys, to another building Bikini Bottom video. Today I'm gonna build SpongeBob's living room and kitchen. So I already put the teleportation commands already. So yeah, I'm gonna put it actually. I'm gonna change it. Let's put it here. Actually, does that work? Let's see. Okay, thank goodness thank gollies it works still. Now let's place one there for that. Now we still need this, but sand, we still need it. Cause SpongeBob's whole house is with, yeah, it's made with, the floor is made of sand, so I'm just gonna do some researches. SpongeBob's living room. Okay, I found references of the living room. So, okay. Let's put that there and that. Now let's place this in there. Cause that. Now let's grab sand and place that there. Oh, my bad, guys. I was supposed to, yeah. Finally, I suppose to place a cyan terracotta and a stone pressure plate like that. Now I'm gonna grab cyan cyan concrete, guys. Now let's place that there for the darkness. And we've done that. Now let's remove all of this. And since I'm in 1.16, I could use this. And now let's grab a hype warp stairs and a strip warp hype bay, and let's place it. How am I supposed to do this? Now let's place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and let's place that and 2 here, and let's place it there. Now let's place that like that, guys. Now let's just place a tree here and a tree here. No, maybe I should extend it. No, maybe it's gonna be 2 blocks. Now let's do that. Just wait, it's just like this itchy. Now let's place that and that. Okay, And and there. Let's just place warp stairs and also here. People might be like, oh, that guy's a genius. How did they do that? And then when they dig, it's like, oh, I see how. Pretty sure this is the reference of it. Now let's remove all of this and let's place in sand and let's place here. Yeah. Maybe also here. Let's just fill it all up. And I forgot this door. Yeah, I actually am googling and I saw a door there, so yeah. Wait. Perfect. Okay, sand. Just delete everything and place sand. Perfect. Doopy doop boop tap ba boop. Tappy boop boop tap ba boop. Beep boop boop. Tap boop boop boop. It's so lagging. Why is my Minecraft so lagging today? Okay, it's just because of all the electricity or something. Now let's just fill it all up. I forgot this door also. Maybe that should be the kitchen. Yeah. Now we are now gonna make the doors now, not the interior yet. Yeah. Then light blue. Let's place that there. And there. Now let's do it on the other side. Now let's grab sand. Oh wait, I actually have sand. Now let's place it here. Now let's place that there. And now we've done that already. Now we don't need that. We are now gonna need this. We actually need dark. And let's fill it all up. Yeah, the reason why I rebooted my whole YouTube channel is because that my dad resetted my phone. I know I'm using a phone, guys, because I'm in mobile. Ow, my eye. Ow! Ow! I. Oh wait, I forgot. There is a door here. Now let's just grab a light block and let's place it around. One there, one there, and one there, and one there. I'll put it everywhere so it could give us the light that we had to have. We still need that. Never mind. Now let's grab chain because I'm in 1.16. Now let's grab brown and also blue concrete regala and also this and also that. And now let's place this. Wait. Now let's grab that and this and also a structure block. A structure void, I mean. Let's place that here. Where's that to be? Okay, it's here. That's here. Wait, I completely forgot. I actually have a chain and let's place that there. And now let's place it there. Perfect. Now we are finally done. Now let's just grab. Let's grab again that and also that. And that also, and let's place it here, and let's place it here, and place that and there. Now I am gonna grab warp and also a lime terracotta, and let's skip 2 and place 3 and boop boop. Now let's place that actually there also and boop. Now brown. Wait, no, it was actually here. And then that might do, and that, and that, and also polish black stone wall. And now let's place that and place that. Now painting, place it there Now I'm just gonna find the look of the TV. I'm gonna search it in the real life version. So this is what it looks like. Actually, I'm gonna if it's actually jungle, and but for that it's gonna be, yeah, let's place it here and here and here, there and there. I'm not having trouble with it. Now we're done, but we need string because there's some string here. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, this hard and is gonna become an hour. Now let's do the secondary, which is the kitchen. I'm gonna search it already. SpongeBob's kitchen. Okay. Now we're just gonna grab this instead, and let's grab a clay block and let's place that there. And there, and let's place that until there. Now we are gonna grab a lime terracotta, and now let's do that, and there. Because in the references it was like that, so now let's place that. Sorry guys, I'm just itchy. Oh my god. Please. Now let's place that. I actually like the SpongeBob house. I mean, like it's from TikTok. That's a TikTok sound. I don't really play TikTok that much. I can't even be allowed to play TikTok cause it's dangerous. I have nonsense and I'm just no reason why I'm silent. What am I, a silent man? Yeah, I'm gonna stay silent so you could be focusing on the build. There's no time lapse. Just because I don't know how to make a time lapse. Okay. Okay. Um. Now I'm gonna grab. Oh, that was close. Oh crap! I have no more room. how would I work this out? I'm gonna place more, cause that's the only thing I have to do. Da 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 da. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and there. Now let's now let's place that and that. Boom, boom, boom. Now we're gonna grab oak buttons and place it there. Now let's grab a purple and a green. Now let's place that and that, that and that. Wait, and now there, 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 there. Okay. Now that. Now now let's do it in the other side. Maybe there. And also Gary's bowl. Completely forgot. Let's place it there. Wow. Okay. Pretty sure we're almost done. We have to do the ceiling now, which is with spruce wood. Okay. It's gonna take forever, like 1,000 years later. Dizzy. Okay, I was practicing SpongeBob's laugh, and we're having a thunderstorm tonight. Now, this is getting creepy, so I'm gonna get a light. I think that's all. And yes, guys, I upload 2 videos every day. This is the house. We're almost gonna complete it. And the second floor is where the attic is, which is aka their top roof. So yeah, goodbye. And I'm stuck here, and I had to change my position. So I am gonna be right back cause the position. But I'm finally done with this. So I have time to tell you guys, leave that like button so you could watch every 2 videos every day, or some days like because I upload my video 1 month ago. So see you at next month vids.